Hey, it's Takeo. Today, we're diving into the new AI agent feature in TaskMagic. What's this AI agent do? It builds automations just by you writing what you want. Before, you had to manually build stuff in TaskMagic. Click this, open that, type here. Annoying, right? With AI agent, forget all that hassle. Just type what you want and boom, automation done. Let's see it in action in TaskMagic. Hit Create Browser Automation to start fresh. Name your automation. Pick whatever you want. Make it clear. Then hit Start Recording to jump into design mode. Here's where TaskMagic and AI Agent differ. I'll adjust the view for you. Click the side panel first. This is where you input your desired automation. It designs as you send it. On the right, you've got the browser. Check out how we set up automation here. Let's dive in. I'm running my blog this time. Let's scrape one of my articles. It's simple. Watch what it can do. First, check this chat. In TaskMagic, add your step to create something new. For the AI agent feature, it's right in this chat. You can type specific instructions here. Write in English or Japanese, just like me. It tells you which page to open and what task to handle. Hit this button to send it off. The assistant will figure out your design needs. Watch this. Once the design kicks off, see the action on the right. My blog is up. My blog is up. Wait 3 seconds, then scroll down. After 2 more seconds, scroll down again. That's how it's set up. Grab those links. Just snag the link from my blog article. Boom, next page is up. And again, rinse and repeat. Save it, done. TaskMagic AI agent did all the heavy lifting. No more steps needed. Let's move it. Go time. Here you go. Adjusting the screen for a better view. Steps and screen side by side. Scroll down. Boom, next page is up. Boom, next page is up. TaskMagic AI agent took care of it all. No more steps needed. Final page, folks. Repeat 3 times. That's it. Done and dusted. Nailed it. Here's the scraped content. Download it in another format. Let's check out more. Now, let's automate this customer management system. Hit Start Recording. Adjusting the panel. Time to automate. Here's a tip. To automate your desired site, service, or platform, write it out specifically. Rough instructions screw things up. Specific instructions work better. Think it's a hassle? Sometimes rough works, but not always. It worked for my blog content earlier. Specific instructions make automation smooth. Here, you delete inactive users, download the current state in CSV, and log out. Automate this daily grind easily. Select two files. Delete them all at once. Deletion's done. Go back to all status and export the file. Hit Settings. Go to Notifications. Check it, save it. Give it a sec. Log out. Nailed it. Got it? You see how showing it right matters? This is how you automate your customer system. Easy. Need changes? Just add a new one here. Save it as is. Now you've got a reusable template. Fired up, automation kicks in. It's running. You can log in now. Email, password, go. After you log in, head to the customer page. Switch from all status to inactive. Choose these two, delete them all. I'm just talking, it's all automatic. Switch back to all status from inactive. Export everything as a CSV file. Done. Now hit up the Settings page. Tap the Notification tab in your profile. Done. Toggle it on or off and save. Log out. Finished. Yep. So, I just showed you the TaskMagic AI agent. Surprised? Bet you didn't see that coming. This AI agent whips up automation with just simple commands. My take? Honestly, it feels about 60% done. Support your automation, and it auto-builds around 60%. What about the rest? tweak it yourself. Do that, and you've got flawless automation. TaskMagic AI agent is the new kid on the block. If you know TaskMagic, you're all set. Add and automate yourself. If you're savvy, dive in. Watching this? Try TaskMagic's new AI agent. It's a game changer. I'll dive deeper next time. Missed some stuff here. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Catch you in the next one.